Hey developers, let me show you how to integrate Vedika API in just 5 minutes. Step 1. Get your API key. Go to Vedika.io and sign up. You'll get an API key instantly. Copy it somewhere safe. Step 2. Test with the sandbox. Before spending any credits, test with our free sandbox. The endpoint is api.vedika.io/sandbox/astrology/query. It returns mock data but lets you test your integration. Step 3. Make your first real request. Here's all you need. A post request to api.vedika.io/api/v1/astrology/query. Include 3 things in your JSON body. First, the question. Like, what does my birth chart say about my career? Second, birth details. Date and time in ISO format. Latitude and longitude of birthplace. Third, your API key in the header. X-API-key : your key. That's it. You'll get back a detailed astrological interpretation. Step 4. Handle the response. The response includes the answer, confidence score, and sources used. Parse it and display it to your users. Step 5. Go to production. Add credits to your account. Switch from sandbox to the production endpoint. Deploy your app. 5 steps, 5 minutes. You now have a working astrology feature. Check out vedika.io/docs for code examples in JavaScript, Python, and more. Happy building!